girl Tisha Monique back again, and you guys know I have been on my fitness journey. So having key athleisure pieces that are cute, that are functional, but also that make sense, that are sensible for while I'm working out, but after that take me from my workout to after workout to where I can run in and do errands, or if I want to go grab a smoothie or a matcha, that I can have pieces that I feel confident in. I wanted to quickly share with you some gorgeous athleisure pieces that I have picked up from none other than an amazing shop on Amazon. I wanted to make sure and share this with you dolls, especially in holidays. They're great stocking stuffers or gifts to ask for yourself or to gift others with. So let's just jump right in. As a workout girly who is on her fitness journey, I definitely love pieces and love to source pieces that are comfortable yet that hold. Especially if you are active, you're walking, or you're on the treadmill, or you're in the gym, you don't want your athleisure rolling down or shifting to where you have to keep pulling up your pants and stuff in yoga. That is so annoying, especially when you're trying to get it in the gym or out walking or at yoga, at Pilates, girl. So these pieces that I have today, I'm super excited to share because I feel like they are very comfortable, they accent the body, and they stay put while you are exercising and getting your fitness on. So as you can see, I got 3 pieces just to see how I like the line. I am very impressed with it. I am enjoying it so far. Very slimming, which I love. So it kind of reminds me a lot of the Skims as well, for that smoothing effect that it provides. They mirror Lulu, Athleta, other known brands. I will say that same quality. They're not thin, they're not flimsy, and they also have that support, that structure support that gives you the cinching that us ladies really need when we're working out. It smooths out the arms. As you can see, the arms look very smooth. The material is nice. It feels very durable. This top also has the finger holes in it, which is nice, especially as it's starting to get a little bit cooler out for walking or for after you come out the gym. I think this jacket is really nice because you can zip it right up over your sports bra and your leggings if that's what you wore, so that you can be comfortable and have something to put on or have on that you can run around in and do other activities. So I like that it is thick, it's good quality, but it's not to where it's stifling. It feels hot. It feels like, you know, it's not breathable, or if you were to sweat in it, that it would be locked in pieces. I got the set that I'm gonna share with you now, and I will insert it. And then I also got one other piece, which is the sweatshirt that I felt I could put over like my aloe pieces and such. And I really love the quality of all of these pieces. I also really love the pants that I picked out. I'm not a tall girl, I'm 5'3", but I'm always looking for tall girl friendly pants, because especially leggings and jeans and stuff, because I like for my pants to fit long and cover my tennis shoes. I don't like them at the ankle or anything like that. So I always get the tall girl friendly pants, and these, they have a lot of tall girl friendly pieces for all of my dolls out there, and that's what I'm wearing today. So you'll see that they definitely they're not dragging the floor or anything. They just go past the ankle, which looks very stylish to me and a lot more just my aesthetics. I love that they have the longer pants, because I hate when I have sweatpants or workout pants and then you wash them a few times and they shrink. So I like these because you can go from the gym to after workout, run around, do your errands like I was saying, and look put together, look very sleek, very aesthetic, and feel comfortable while doing it. I love that the top is a controlled top. As you can see, it is very slimming. There's no bulging out with the jacket. You can easily throw a bag on and be ready to go. Love the look of this, like I was saying. Yes, dolls, just a quick video to showcase these gorgeous pieces. I will have all of the information for these linked below. There are so many colors, so many different variations that you can select from. And then you have the second ease of it being from Amazon, to where you can order on their site direct, or they do have a shop on Amazon you can order from, which is going to give you that prime shipping, fast shipping. Like I was saying, I'll check to see if there's any discount codes, and if so, I will list them below for you dolls. But definitely go check out this brand. I think it is a unknown gem, and you definitely want to get your hands on some of these pieces. Save your coins off of your athleisure wear, because these things can get pricey. You know, your girl loves aloe, $139 a piece, versus, you know, these same quality, high quality pieces at a fraction of the price. So definitely want you dolls to go check them out. Like I said, the information is listed for you below. Feel free to browse their website. They have so many different colors and sizes. Breathable, they're not gonna trap any odors in them, and they are just really nice pieces. I did notice that they have the logo on the back, which reminds me of Lululemon or athleta, I believe. Let's see. I think it's here in the middle with the same location. If you dolls can see that, I have been enjoying these pieces, and it has made working out and walking, which has been my jam lately, so much nicer. Having things that make me feel pulled together, that look well on the body, that cinches me in, and really is enjoyable and comfortable while I'm exercising. Has been so nice. So I'm looking to pick these up in black, the pants to make a full set, and then also to get the gray top to match the bottoms that I do have. And I think it's just going to be a really, really nice combination, and I'm super excited to get more pieces from this brand and to share with you dolls. So be sure to check them out. All right, dolls, thank you so much for watching today. I hope that you found this video helpful and give you some tips, things that you could pick up, especially as you get ready to start your fitness journey. Going into January, we want to make sure that we are snatched, that we are goal setting, and already having in mind, being mindful about what we're going to be going after for this 2026. I cannot believe it's already 2026, but here we are, and we are going to be ready, okay? So be sure that you pick you up some pieces so that you can kick off your fitness journey, that you can feel cute, comfortable as you're going to work out. And I think that this is really a good brand that you will find high quality, the same quality without those hefty price tags. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Give a thumbs up on this video. Let me know that you like this type of content from me, and leave me a comment. I love to hear from you dolls, and you guys know I love responding to your comments. And that is it for now, but I will see you dolls in the next one. Mwah. Bye.